Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel TWC subscription. Okay, so the TWC is related to the wellness company. You can see over here the wellness company. Okay, and this is the product. I want to show you the product. This is the product, and there are so many products, and when you buy their product there is an option like subscribe and save. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you, if you want to cancel your subscription, the annual membership represent a long year commitment period. Okay, and if you want to cancel your annual membership, it is non-refundable, but the cancellation will take effect at the next scheduled renewal date. Let's take an example, like if you want to cancel your subscription right now, it will cancel right now, but you are not going to get any kind of money, any kind of refunds. Okay, so and the cancellation is end at the end of your next billing cycle. Okay, so how you can cancel it? Basically you need to type on any browser how to cancel TWC subscription, and you need to scroll down and you need to find this option like the wellness company enrollment and billing section. Okay, or you can I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can directly visit on this link. Okay, so once you visit on this link, there is a note like how you can cancel your subscription. Like basically you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account, you need to provide your email ID. Once you provide your email ID, they will send a 6-digit code on your register email ID. You need to enter register code, and then you can log in into your account. And once you logged in, you need to click on subscription. Now you need to locate your subscription and you need to click on manage subscription and manage subscriptions. Okay, and you can cancel, modify, you can do anything what you want, but you will not get any kind of refund. Okay, if you are facing any issue, you can directly visit on this page, and on this page you know very well there is a options like enrollment and billing. There is the option how do I manage my billing section. There is also a option, and on this page you can contact with their customer support. There is a phone number, I will provide direct link, and you can call their customer support, or you can find their customer support phone number on internet. And once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also on your email ID. Okay, and once you get proof of cancellation from their side, it means your subscription is ended and they are not going to charge on your account. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.